The Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2024 is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a compelling mix of features for its price point. Design and display. The Moto G Power 5G 2024 showcases a sleek design with a textured vegan leather back, providing a premium feel and improved grip. The 6.7-inch LCD is sharp and bright, ensuring readability even under direct sunlight. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack caters to users who prefer wired audio options. Performance. Powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7020 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM, the device delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks and multitasking. While occasional stutters may occur when switching between apps, overall responsiveness is commendable for a device in this price range. Battery life and charging. The Moto G Power 5G 2024 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, comfortably lasting a full day of heavy use. A notable addition is wireless charging support, a rarity in this segment, enhancing convenience for users. Camera. The smartphone features a 50MP main sensor accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens that doubles as a macro camera. While it captures adequate photos with decent detail, images can sometimes appear flat due to reduced contrast. Overall, the Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2024 stands out as a robust option in the budget smartphone market, offering features like wireless charging, NFC, and a capable display. While software support is limited, and the camera performance is modest. Thank you.